Hello everyone, this is Tarot Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Scorpio for the August 2020. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice card for you for the August month, and I would like to let you know that these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone, so take the messages accordingly to your situation. Okay, now we will start with the reading for the Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Venus, rising sign of Scorpio. These readings are not the gender based, so please take care that, and please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you. Okay, so we will start with the reading for the sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, and Venus, rising sign of Scorpio. Please, universe, let us know what are the messages for the sign of Scorpio for the August 2020. Okay, the Hangman. Please, universe, let us know what are the messages for the Scorpio. Okay, Queen of Wands in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and the Six of Wands. Very nice. So I will pull some clarifiers. Why the Hanged Man? Why the Hanged Man is here? Okay, Queen of Cups. I will pull more cards for why the Queen of Wands is here. Why the Queen of Wands is here? Why the Queen of Wands is here? Okay, the Empress, the World. Why the Two of Swords is here? Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands. Why the Six of Wands is here? Very nice. Ace of Swords, and the bottom of the deck is the Moon in the reverse. So very nice. Okay, we will start with the reading now. In the current past or in the current situation, you are feeling the Hangman. Hangman represent that you have to open your crown chakra and throat chakra. Okay, so you have to open your eyes, and you have to seek the truth, and you have to change your perspective of the thinking. Okay, so because if the Hangman in reverse, he is able to see the world. Okay, what as we stand. Okay, but Hangman is the upside down, so you have to look for the situation in the upside down and in different perspective. Okay, and the clarification is the Queen of Cups, because someone is going to offer you the cup of love, or you might be offering someone the cup of love. Okay, that person may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you might be come into your energy, which is very nurturing, caring, very innocent. Okay, and later the we have Queen of Wands in reverse. You don't want to take any action, you don't want to take any new beginning, you are not ready for the new upcoming events. Okay, you are not ready for the taking the charge. Okay, for the clarification we got the Empress, because you want to enjoy yourself. Okay, your Empress is the queen of all the kings. Okay, it is a queen of emperor. Okay, and she is the very abundant. You are feeling, because you are feeling very abundant, nurturing, and this she is very caring, nurturing. Okay, and very joyful. Okay, you are feeling very energetic, very enthusiastic, very courageous. Okay, the world is going to change for you. You are feeling in your world only, you are celebrating yourself with your in your world. Okay, you are celebrating your wisdom, blessings, love, compassion. Okay, you are in your form. Okay, for some of you, the Scorpio, it might be your birthday, it might be some celebration in your for especially for you, it might be your promotion or any personal growth, so that you will feel very enjoy, very wisdom, very compassionate, very passionate, very joyful, okay, and feeling like a empress. You will feel like a empress. So that's why you are coming into your energy. That might, this is the your energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay. And now the I told you some things might be hidden from you. So you, after closing you third eye after opening the third eye chakra, you will able to take the charge of the situation. You will able to decide which path, which decision you have to make, okay. And you will ready for the battle, okay. Even though situation very critical, even though any situation will be anyhow, it will be in the favor of you or in the, it is not in the favor of you, you will guard yourself, okay. You are ready for the battlement, you are ready for the change, okay. And that will be the victorious, that will be successful. And again the new beginning is coming for you, because universe is giving you new opportunities, okay. And new opportunities are coming to you. The Gemini, Libra, Aquarius person may be significant for you, or maybe Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person may be significant for you. You are going to lead the situation, you are the leader of situation, you are the leader of the all your company, entrepreneur, or your all your family, anything, okay. You will be victorious, you will be successful in the situation. And again the new beginning is going to start, okay. Some of you, you might be starting with your new job, new career, okay, or the same job but in new way, okay. And you are coming out of the illusion. I told you, you are going to open your third eye chakra. So very good, this is very nice reading. We will take some advice cards from the angels, from the unicorns decks. Please unicorns, let us know what are the messages for the Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of the Scorpio. Okay, lots of card, okay. The silence, 30. Be still, for all the answers lie in the silence, okay. So you have to be you have to spend some time alone, okay. You will find out all the answers, okay. Answers will come to you. That's why you will able to open your third eye chakra, okay. And the darkness is going to end in your life, okay. The Mother Mary and the unicorns are blessings you, okay. So because the Hangman is the major arcana, Hangman is a major arcana, world is a major arcana, the Empress is a major arcana. So lots of angels, the gods, the universe is taking control of your situation. They are sending you so much blessings and love, okay. So your next advice is the honesty. Honesty will be ultimately be rewarded. You have to be honest with yourself, you have to be honest with everyone, okay, because it is ultimately going to be rewarded. Then the next card is the pages, okay. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 might be the significant number for you, and the positive changes are coming to in your life, okay. Open your heart to love and joy, okay. So you have to open your heart and heart chakra, open your third eye chakra, okay, so that you will able to love and enjoy your life joyfully. The next advice is divine side. See the divine in everyone, okay. Even though people are rude with you, even though people are bad with you, you have to see divine, see the God, see the universe in them, okay. Then only they will act with you in different way, okay. So you have to change the perspective of seeing, perspective of your vision, seeing the other people, okay. They will also change their perspective to behaving with you, okay. So you just have to start with the changes, okay. See the divine in everyone, they will see the divine in you, okay. And the last message is the Archangel Raphael. Healing and abundance are coming to your way. So I told you, you will be the leader, you will be the leader, there will be the new beginnings, okay. Some of you will get the new offer of love, some of you get the business offer which is going to fulfill your all the dreams. You will feel in your energy, you will feel very joyful and in the Empress. Okay, abundant and very nurturing, caring. It is a queen of all the kings. Okay, so really nice. You have a very nice August month. Okay, so the number 4 is the stability is going to come into your way. Okay, healing and the abundance are coming to your way. Some of you might be facing some physical problems that are going to resolve in this coming August month. Okay, so this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with the Tarot Galaxy 1111 for the new and upcoming videos. Okay, so please take care and bye bye.